right over here. It's around 70 bucks. G502 special edition hero high performance mouse, guys. It's a high performance mouse, comes with 11 programmable keys, and it also looks super sick. Unfortunately, I didn't got my hands on it just because, you know, I already bought the G502, which is still a great mouse, but this mouse is a special edition mouse. Trust me, it's a special edition mouse for the money. It's, you know, best-selling mouse, the G402. This is a special edition that it comes with the best, you know, the hand-pick sensor. The only limited number of, you know, sensors being picked up, which is like enhanced to make this mouse. It's zero smoothing, you know, zero acceleration, the true human movement. It only detects that. It don't give you extra additional, you know, artifacts or like lag while playing the game. There's a special handpick sensor, which is the finest of the Logitech sensors they ever made, especially for this mouse, for you, so you guys can hit those 6 trick shots and snipe shots in Fortnite or any of your favorite game. Also comes with the weight. You guys, is right now the weight of the mouse is 121, but after adding weight, you guys can make it to like 139 grams if you guys want to be really precise with your aim while playing games or doing, like, you know, other work. But at the end, just look how sick that mouse looks. Like, just let's be real, isn't it a sick looking mouse? Like, wow, it comes with a 16.8 million colors at every color in the world. You guys can change the color of it. That's really sick. And everything, the mouse has its own memory, so you guys can save profiles, the color stuff. It's really great looking mouse. You guys can you know, control the RGB. You can reprogram the keys on the mouse. And I'm talking about these keys on the side. These keys on the side right here. You guys can reconfigure these keys and the RGB right here. Oh, let me flip the mouse. You guys can configure the RGB. You can configure even this. You can assign the keyboard commands like cut, everything on the mouse as well if you guys want.